Okay, Ryan, we don't want to be fooled by today's maybe cloud cover or cooler temperature. We should still be looking for the T-shirts and the shorts.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, it's also going to come with humidity, which we didn't really have over the weekend.
Yeah, we were lucky over the weekend.
Yeah, that's for sure. But it's a little summer feel on the way. Look outside right now. This is down on the seacoast where it is partly to mostly sunny, 65 in Portsmouth. We do have a little bit more cloud cover as you get into central and mid-coast Maine right now, as you can see here on the satellite imagery. And also a few little light showers. These have mainly been moving through the mountains. They're not going to last all afternoon, but there is one heavier shower that's coming back through Rumford and Rangeley. This will head toward Farmington and Skowhegan. To the south of this, it's largely dry with actually a little sun right now. A few little sprinkles over the greater Bangor area, but for the most part, other than those showers riding along Route 2, it is mostly dry. Our winds have turned onshore. That's why it's cooler out there today. But the warmth is not that far away, and this is a classic setup to bring warmth and humidity up in our direction thanks to this Bermuda high. So once we get this front through, next couple of days will be warmer and increasingly humid, which means really for the first time this year, we'll have to talk dew points, which is how we describe how the air feels. Remember, you don't use the percentage, the relative humidity. That has nothing to do with how the air feels to us. But the dew point, the higher the number, the more humid the air, and it will be increasingly humid tomorrow and Wednesday until much drier air comes back in Wednesday night into Thursday. So hour by hour for the afternoon, partly sunny to the south, a little bit more cloud cover to the east and north. Most of the afternoon should be dry after a brief passing shower. This evening we'll have temps that drop into the 60s along the coastline and then even some 50s overnight tonight. And tomorrow morning we likely start out with some patches of fog along parts of the mid-coast and down east. That should clear quickly, and it's going to get hot tomorrow. Temperatures, especially in the southwestern corner of the state, are going to warm up quickly, hitting 80 by 9 or 10 in the morning. And if we hold the wind direction to a land breeze, could even hit 90 around the Portland area tomorrow afternoon. A pop-up shower or thunderstorm is possible in the afternoon, and given it's so hot and so humid, there could be an isolated severe storm. So we'll watch for that. It's not going to be widespread, but the amount of energy in the air is capable of that tomorrow. Upper 80s to around 90 over all of southern and central Maine, and we do even hit 80, we think, in Rockland and Bar Harbor. Northern Maine, not quite as warm out there tomorrow. You're kind of on the other side of the front. Then for Wednesday morning, we're going to start really warm. It's a muggy night Wednesday night. One more day of temps in the mid to upper 80s with a better chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm Wednesday afternoon. That says this front's going to come down, and then this high builds in for the end of the week. Our weather looking quiet Thursday and Friday, but there will be rain gathering to our west-southwest that may come up at some point over the holiday weekend, so we'll keep you posted on that. Seas 1 to 3 feet this afternoon with a light southeast wind on the water. Much hotter tomorrow and Wednesday. If you have outdoor plans, be aware there's a chance for a shower or thunderstorm, but a lot of the time will be dry, and it is going to be hot with temps between 85 and 90. Much cooler for Thursday and Friday. Those days looking good. Biggest question, guys, for the weekend is does rain return, and if so, when? So we'll keep you posted on that through the week.
A lot of eyes on that one.
Yeah, the cooler temps are one thing. The rain changes some plans.
Right.
Okay, Ryan. We'll keep watching that. Thank you.